Hi, I'm Grace from Design. Welcome to SAE's Virtual Open Day. So first, a little about me. I'm an artist and graphic designer. I'm passionate about nature and technology. I've been teaching and practicing for over 7 years, and I completed my undergraduate and my master's by research at UNSW. If you want to know any more about me, you can visit my website at gracekingston.com, or otherwise, you can post a comment on this video and I'll answer it after. Oh, the things you will learn. Graphic design covers many smaller specialities and possibilities. For example, visual communication, semiotics, interactive and motion design, personas, user journey and experience, photography, drawing and image making in all its forms. You probably encounter design everywhere you look in your everyday life without even realizing it. So we're here to bring businesses and ideas to life visually. Some of the software you'll use. We'll use the full Adobe suite, so that means Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, XD, Spark, some After Effects, sometimes even Premiere. You'll also be exposed to some 3D software, so that could be Cinema 4D, Maya, Blender, and a range of other ones. You'll also have the opportunity to play with a number of website creation options. So that could be templated sites like Squarespace or WordPress, or it could be hard coding your very own website. The kind of tools you use are computers, Wacom's, iPads. We'll also be able to experiment with some traditional and alternative print methods and a range of drawing and finishing tools. Oh, the things you'll make. Designing things is obviously not any fun if you can't make them. For example, we'll be making things like corporate stationery, so business cards, letterheads, posters, magazine spreads, animated ads, websites, and the occasional app, as well as some games. I'd like to show you some student works to give you an example of what we do. So here's one where design collaborated with the games team. We brought to life our students' game with all of the visual elements you see here. So original illustrations, logos, plus all the graphic icons within the game itself. Here's one that a student did for their major projects, their capstone project at the end of their degree. They did a fabulous recipe book called Mood Food. They wrote all their own recipes, took all their own photos, and created all the logos and graphic elements within the book. It was printed as a hardcover and it sold really well. We'll also have various studio projects we do in the middle of your degree. So this one was called Collectiva, which was a project based around CMYK, the basis of most printers. Students use this as a spring point to make really exciting, original illustrations, and also use it as a way to educate people about the history of printing. So by now you're probably asking, how does it work? First, there's stage one. This is where you'll learn your tools as a designer. Projects build on each other and are mostly individual at this stage. You'll have an opportunity to revisit things to learn, and you'll have an opportunity to experiment with the software extensively on your own first. So this is the first 2 trimesters. The next stage is stage 2. This is where you practice really putting all the skills together, working in teams independently. This is the trimesters 3 and 4. So here you'll be given less prescriptive briefs. So what I mean is you'll be given a brief on an idea, but you'll be able to approach it in any creative way you like. And then finally, stage 3, which is where you figure out where you want to fit in the design world and have the opportunity to hone your skills in a direction you want to find in your field. Here you're actually writing your own brief, and then you're executing your own brief. Most people use this as an opportunity to springboard into a career path of their choice. For example, your final capstone project, if you wanted to be in fashion magazines, you might create your own magazine. You'll take your creation to your internship unit as well. Hopefully get an internship with the kind of magazine you want to work in, using the work you've made with your capstone, and then hopefully into that career soon after. So if you're ready to take the next steps, we'll have a how to apply presentation at 3 p.m. today. You can call or speak to an SAE course advisor at any time on 1-800-723-338. You can book a personalized virtual campus tour at sae.edu.au/book a tour. Or if you're ready to apply right now, go to sae.edu.au/apply. Thank you so much. Hope to see you soon.